Hi everyone. This quick video is going to show you where to find a child's Lexile and Quantile level that can be used in the Lexile and Quantile hub for securing resources for instruction. You are currently looking at my iReady dashboard. This is the same place you go to visit the teacher toolbox and to get your regular iReady data. I am going to go up to Reports, click Student. Under Diagnostic Results, I'm clicking on Reading. You will notice that I am going to look at an individual student report instead of my class report because the activities and resources that are suggested within the hub are going to be used more for a small group or an intervention for a specific student. If it is used for a small group, they are likely all on the same level, hopefully, and so you can still identify one student to look at specifically, but use that activity for the entire group. I am currently working with Sophia in Ms. Beck's class, so I'm going to look at her data first. So this has pulled up Sophia's reading diagnostic number 2 that was taken in January, and if I scroll down, I will see the Lexile measure and range listed here. You can copy and paste this directly out of iReady and into the hub to secure resources. The Lexile level for reading is Sophia's independent reading level. So that's important to note that she should be able to read and comprehend independently at this level or within this range. To find the quantile measure for math, I would want to scroll back up to the top, toggle from reading to math, make sure it's still on the most recent diagnostic, scroll down slightly, and you will see the quantile measure and range in the same location on the report. It's important to note here that this is not Sophia's independent math level. This is her level with support and instruction. So anything offered here would be best used in a small group or an intervention, not for independent practice. But again, you can copy and paste this quantile measure straight out of iReady and into the hub to secure resources for instruction. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. We're happy to help.